Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to sort table rows alphabetically in Google Docs. First, open your document in Google Docs on your desktop web browser. Hover your cursor over the specific column in your table that you want to sort by. Right-click inside any cell within that column to open the Table Context menu. Scroll down through the context menu options to locate the sorting settings. Click on Sort Table from the drop-down menu options. Select Sort Ascending A to Z to organize your table rows in alphabetical order based on that column's text. Alternatively, select Sort Descending Z to A if you want to order your data in reverse alphabetical order. If your table contains a top header row, Google Docs will automatically preserve the header row at the top while rearranging the remaining rows. Your entire table rows will instantly reorder while keeping all corresponding data in each row completely intact across columns. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.